In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, we invite your presence in this session of the Sanggunian. Permeate our discussions and decisions. May your wisdom illuminate our minds and our hearts, guiding us to make choices that align with your will and bring home holy to your name. Father, bless our time together with productivity and fulfillment. Empower us to discern the best course of action and act with integrity and compassion in all our endeavors. Thank you, Lord, for faithfulness and provision. May your peace reign in our hearts and minds, in our workplace, in our homes. Unite us in prayer, strengthening our resolve to serve our people and your kingdom faithfully. In Jesus' name, amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Madam Cruzet, please call the roll.
A pleasant Monday morning of July 13, 2026, the 51st regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan. Our presiding officer, our attorney Ariel Teorino,
Present.
Honorable Ricardo Machenza Jr.,
Present.
Honorable Jerry S. de Atienza II, Honorable Jerry Artendero, Honorable Alexander D. Mendoza,
Dito rin po.
Honorable Freddy Sar Opancia, Honorable Romel T. Bulaong, Honorable Richard Vidatoon,
Nandito po.
Honorable Sir Jason Bedwintura Jr.,
Present.
Honorable Daniel Coral, and Honorable John Mark Mendoza.
Present.
May I know the existence of the quorum?
Yes, Your Honor, we have a quorum.
Quorum having been certified and verified, I hereby declare the presence of quorum. Honorable Romel Bulaong, you're recognized.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Reading in consideration of the minutes of proceeding held on May 11, 18, and 21, 2026. I believe everybody has a copy, so I move to dispense with the reading and its approval.
Okay, duly seconded, Mr.
On
Presiding
motion
Officer.
of Honorable Romel Bulaong, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero, the reading of the minutes of proceedings on May 11, 2026, May 18, 2026, and May 21, 2026 is dispensed with. However, the consideration and approval of the same is hereby taken positively. Any objections? Hearing none, same is carried.
I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the approval of the calendar of business, including the inclusions coming from the members of this council.
Any
Okay, duly
inclusion?
seconded, Mr. Chair. May I, Mr. Chair?
Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. A resolution requesting to Senator Win Gatchalian, road concreting, Mr. Chair, Zone 3, Bahay, 50 million. And pangadwa po, to Senator Ping Lacson, another 50 million. Sitio Ligpit, Pag-uring Bio, to Sitio Ugis 1, San Isidro, another 50 million, Mr. Chair. Pantulo po, Senator Tito Soto, Zone 6, Barangay Bahay, to Sitio Ugis 2, San Isidro, 50 million, Mr. Chair. Road concreting po niyo. Number 4, Senator Mig Subiri, 50 million, Astong to Sitio, Kaburian, Palangon. And paglima po, Mr. Chair, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, 50 million po, Villadima to Sitio, Pasto 1 and Pasto 2, Kaima. And number 6, Senator Joel Villanueva, 50 million salvation to Sitio Malajona, Salvacion. Number 7, to Senator Camille Villar, 50 million po to Sitio Poricot, Mambulo Nuevo. Number 8, to Senator Mark Villar, 50 million Sonpor, Barangay Bahay, Sonpor, Hamo Rawon, San Pablo. Mr. Chair. Pang-siyam po, to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, 50 million. Crossing Busak to Sentro, to Manggawa, Busak, 50 million. And number 10 po, Senator Pia Cayetano, 50 million to Zone 3, Mandakanan. And number 11 po, Senator Pia Hontiveros, Kandame to Sitio, Timbaan, San Isidro Sipukot. And number 12, to our beloved President, BBM, Basan Bridge, another 100 million. And number 13, to Secretary of Department of Agriculture, Zone 4, Housing, Bahay is 100 million po, Mr. Chair. And under first reading, Mr. Chair, Bantay Salug Ordinance. Number 2, the Cooperative Council. And number 3, the 2 days Expo Ordinance of Digmanan. And number 4, a joint sponsored by Councilor Alex Mendoza, amendments of cockfighting ordinance, Mr. Chair. Thank you po. Yun lang po yun.
All inclusions of Honorable Jerry Tindero are included under first reading.
Yes po.
Please be guided accordingly with all those mentioned by Honorable Jerry Tindero,
Thank you po.
Secretariat.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Honorable Alex Mendoza.
this is in line with the last inclusion made by Councilor Tindero, the amendments of the revised cockfighting ordinance of 2016 or 18, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is the title of the proposed amendment or ordinance. Please take on record, Madam Secretary, an ordinance providing for a comprehensive guidelines and regulation for the establishment, operation, and maintenance of cockfighting and commercial breedings of gamecocks in the municipality of Libmanan, repealing all inconsistent ordinance thereof, and providing penalties for violation therefore. That is the title, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you po.
Okay. The manifestation of Honorable Alex Mendoza is well taken, and please take note of such manifestation. Honorable Romel Bulaong.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. I would like to include for today's regular session the committee report of the Committee on Rules and Ordinances.
Under committee report.
Yes.
The committee report of the Committee on Rules and Ordinances, chaired by Honorable Romel Bulaong, is included under committee report.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Honorable Richard Datur.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Committee report on Committee on Education, Mr. Chairman, please include it.
The committee report of the Committee on Education, chaired by Honorable Richard Datuon, is included under committee report.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable
for
Dondo
inclusion
Atienza.
under committee report, the committee report of Committee on Health and Sanitation and the committee report of the Committee on Peace and Order.
The committee reports of the respective committees, as mentioned by Honorable Dondo Atienza, are included under committee report. Any other inclusions? There being no other inclusions, the agenda for today, as amended, is approved upon motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Okay. For question hour, the appearance of the DOE RO5, this with regards to the legislative inquiry on the status of gas price distribution in the municipality of Libmanan. This upon request of Honorable Councilor Jerry Tindero. And second, the appearance of the Sherman Construction. This with regards to the inaction of the company to the recommendation of the Sangguniang Bayan on the transfer of the heavy equipment lift idle at the San Juan Baywalk to include terminations paper thereof as received by the Sangguniang. Number 3, the DPWH RO5 and the DPWH Second Engineering District. This with regards to the status of the infrastructure project within the municipality of Libmanan under the jurisdiction of the DPWH.
Any appearances of the concerned resource persons? Representative from DOE RO5. Any reply from that office, Ma'am Secretary?
I'm sorry to inform the body na hanggang ngayon wala pa rin silang reply. Always walang reply po. DOE.
Honorable Jerry Tindero, this is your baby. This is with regards to the status of gas prices.
Okay,
The DOE Regional Office 5 has consistently snubbed our invitations.
anyway, Mr. Presiding Officer Attorney, siguro po kung araw po kayo ng sentimento na mayo po sa tuyang nagre-reply, kung nagsurat kita na imbitaran, and kung okay lang po, mapasak na lang po kung resolusyon, tangani pong mag-explain na lang po sa to kung ano po ang nangyari. Kasi ako po kaya gusto kong maaraman po yun, ang lasado kong marita, nag-fluctuate na perme ang presyo po kang mga gasolina at kang diesel. Kaya igot na igot po ko kayo ni. Kaya lang makitang mangyari nakapira na pong imbitar kita, Mr. Chair. Siding ko po, mayo na po yan. Kita, ang tigi-imbitaran ta po, Secretary of DOE. O di taman mapaigdiyan. No. Kung mag-igdiyan, di orgulyotang magbisita ni Igdiyo. Di kaya talaga, siguro, tamahal ang diesel o gasolina, di siya maigdi. Anyway, Mr. Chair, ako po, ang
Pwede man
sentiment,
maglunad sa helicopter na kulay pula.
anyway po, nasa sa iya na po yan, kung ano sunod niya.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Yes po. Thank you po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Kung matatandaan ta po, nagmanifest po ang sa Indopong Lingkod kang Lunes. Ang punto po na tinungkusan ta,
Si mga
sa sarong hapot po na baka nagsasayang kita ng resources, oras, panahon, tapos pag-aabot po ning oras sa session ta, broken hearted po kita. Iyan ang eksakto pong tinaram kang representasyon pong iniyo. Which is, yun man po talaga ang nangyayari. Kaya nagigirumduman ko po, duman sa manifestation ko, instead na imbitaran po ang secretary kang DOE, kasi mayo nga ni digding regional office ang DOE, naka-centralize po kita sa central office, ay magpasar na lang po kita ng resolution na iyo po ang ginibo ni Councilor Tindero kang nakaagi. Nagpasar po kita ng resolution. Siguro, itong intention po na si mga query ta ay paagihon po sa surat, na itao na po si intention. Ang nag-wonder lang po ako, why igwa pa kirari invitation despite na nagka-agree kita duman sa sarong punto na dahil na kita mag-invite, magpasar na lang kita ng resolution or letter.
If my
We just
memory served me right, it was still the request of Honorable Jerry Tindero that even after the passage of a resolution requesting explanation from the DOE, we should also send another communication to them.
And I submit, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you po.
Okay, Mr. Chair, siguro po, kung ang sentimento po, kang parehas ko ba ng pagmati ninda, mayo po yan maigdi, sakod ang pagsimbag kayan, dahil kung ani aram, marangani ta na yan pa lang, sa Manila pa kita kayo mapadaranin ko yan, yung surat.
Yes, we
Anyway,
will do that. May I know if we have already drafted or made the resolution of asking for explanation from the DOE? Ma'am Cruzet?
Yes, sir.
Did I sign it already?
Yes, sir.
Please produce it to me. Recess for 2 minutes. According to Ma'am Cruzet, that resolution is not ready for my signature. It will be printed sooner or later. Correct? Be very sure of your answer to any queries posed by the Sangguniang Bayan. Anyway, there is a pending resolution which is being printed now and will be ready soon for my signature. Let's just wait for it. How about this Sherman construction?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable.
I have
Don
here a
Atienza.
copy from the secretariat, a transmittal from the district engineer Leandro Bisorde. I think may kopya na sa tablet nindo. This is in connection with the termination of the contract of the Sherman Construction. Terminate na siya kang Public Works. 'Di ba? Ang project na actually duwang project ni saro sa Minalabak, saro sa barangay itong tigtutukoy ta sa barangay San Juan, Mr. Chair. Terminate na. So lalong pinakanan sa barangay San Juan. Sa Sherman.
May I know if the construction of multipurpose building is the same as the construction of the Baywalk in San Juan? The same, banana?
Iyo man lang ni yung Mr. Chair ang project duman. Iyo lang ni. So siguro Mr. Chair, I would suggest na for the last time again, we should invite the
May mga certified true copy doon.
district engineer
Ini yung mga duman siya.
from the second engineering district to shed light with this.
May I know from Engineer Councilor Piday Razonable if this is the same mamal, this construction of multipurpose building in Barangay San Juan and construction of Baywalk.
Pa.
Baywalk is different from a building, multipurpose building.
No, that is the first phase. First, they will contract only the Baywalk, including the slab. Then, phase 1 pa lang po, kaya ayan. Pero, si title po is the multipurpose po.
So sayang ni yung proyektong ini.
Iyo po.
Di lamang ni pick follow up. Kunta taday nadagos.
They pwedeng
Dahil ko po yan masisimbag, pero kita po nagpara-follow up. Dahil taaran po ko talaga kung si concern kay itong contractor, naibalik si Pondo, na-terminate po.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable.
Mr.
Dr.
Chair,
Natchez.
considering that this kind of incident happened already, so I move, Mr. Chair, that siguro, imbestigaran ta ni Mr. Chair kung tanong taaro gani. I move, Mr. Chair, that we refer na this matter to the Committee on Good Governance.
Okay, on motion of Honorable Don Atienza, duly seconded by Honorable Nonoy Atienza. Let this concern issue on the construction of multipurpose building Baywalk at Barangay San Juan, Libmanan, Camarines Sur be referred to the Committee on Good Governance and Committee on Infrastructure. The lead committee will be the
Good Governance.
Committee on Good Governance. Yes, your remark, please. Honorable Romel Bulao.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. I see it that the purpose of the invitation is very much noble, but I think, Mr. Presiding Officer, first, the Sangguniang Bayan has no contempt power to compel them to attend on the committee hearing. That is the first reason. Second reason, Mr. Presiding Officer, I don't know if we have a jurisdictions over such project when in fact the budget is coming from the national. So I think in my own views and opinion, it's much be better if we will pass a resolution addressed to the Congress to conduct a investigation regarding this matter other than we investigate that matter in our own place.
So you are submitting an incidental motion to
If
the
the
effect that we will request the assistance of Congress
Yes,
of
Mr.
the
Presiding
Philippines?
Officer, because that's a mere invitation. They can snub us or they cannot attend, and I think
Why
the
don't we
investigations-
try first?
For clarity of the
Why don't we try first inviting them? And if they will fail, then we will refer this to the House of Representatives and the Senate of the Philippines for further investigation.
I don't know, may I ask you, Mr. Presiding Officer, if this honorable body has the power to investigate all matters involving money coming from the national government?
It is not a matter of investigating that company, but as recipient of that very sizable amount of allocations coming from the national coffers of government, then we have at least the power to know for transparency purposes. Not necessarily exercising our investigative powers, but only insofar as we as recipients are concerned.
Anyway, Mr. Presiding Officer, that is only my opinion and remarks. If the gentleman coming from San Juan insists that motion, so I accede, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So considering that the manifestation of Honorable Romel Bulaong is not in the form of an objection, then there being no other objections, the motion of
Can I
Honorable,
comment, Mr. Presiding Officer?
yes, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Thank you po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ang sa kuya po digding apresiasyon, I do agree sa sinabi po ni Councilor Bulaong. And igo po kita digdi sinasabi ko na from time to time, may counterpart po kita digdi sa LGU na pwedeng iyo po ang makatao po sa tuning tamang informasyon ang Municipal Engineering Office kasi dawa pa yan bako tang project dahil ginigibo yan sa satuya pong solar. Igo dapat ning ginigibong lakdang po ang engineering office para po mahiling i-supervise kung tama ano ang problema kang proyekto pong iyan. So siguro po, Mr. Presiding Officer, mas magayon po siguro, apwera kang gigibuhon po na mai-refer po ini sa committee, hagadan ta po ning report ang satuya pong building officials as to the status of that particular project. Kasi hanggang nag-iimbestigar kita, nakakaapekto po ang equipment gamit po kang nasabi pong construction firm. So dapat igo po ng immediate action na gibuhon dyan ng sanggunian, ang local government, na mahali po yan, na mapuon po ang recommendation sa satuya pong building officials. Recommendation to remove or taan po ning penalidad dahil po nagparking sinda dyan ng halawig na panahon na dahil po nagtatao ning parking fee sa local government. So I think we call the attention of the building officials to answer the question of this representation in this sanggunian, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Are you
Mr. Chair.
raising an incidental motion, Honorable Alex Mendoza? Please make it
Suggestion.
a formal motion.
Mr. Presiding Officer, this is a suggestion. This is a mere suggestion that we should summon the information from the building officials of the status.
Would it be proper, more proper, if we task the Office of the Municipal Engineering to conduct its own inquiries with regards to the status of this construction? And then we will give him a period of 1 week And then we will set the committee hearing on after 1 week so that they could study the matter thoroughly.
Mr. Chair.
I agree to the suggestion of the presiding officer, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you. Yes, Honorable
I do
Dondon
agree with that
Atienza.
suggestion of Councilor Alex Mendoza. But considering the tungkol digdi sa issue na ini, Mr. Chair, we already did the tinananta na si engineer ning 1 week. I think, Mr. Chair, ang hinahalata na lang sa iya is mag-submit kagtong sa
We
iyang
will
recommendation.
remind,
Siguro sa committee na, Mr.
Engineer,
Chair.
yes. We
Sa
will
committee.
remind Engineer Hinoba about this, and then he should be ready with his report when the time that this matter is scheduled for committee hearing. Would that be okay?
Yes, Mr. President
Yes,
Officer.
Honorable Piday Razonable.
As I remember, the last time he appeared here in session, he give us 15 days to give to report about the all construction activity.
When was that?
Two session or 3 session po.
So,
Uh,
15 days has
already.
already elapsed.
Yes po. Maybe
Okay.
po he already have their report.
Anyway, we will remind Engineer Hinoba about his report, and then we will advise him to be ready by the time that we conduct our committee hearing on this matter. Okay? There being no other remarks, objections, comments, the motion of Honorable Dondon Atienza is carried. Sige, sige. Honorable Romel Bulaong, please proceed.
Number 3, the DPWH RO5 and the DPWH Second Engineering District. This with regards to the status of the infrastructure project within the municipality of Libmanan under the jurisdiction of the DPWH.
You know, this DPWH Second Engineering District has been ignoring our invitation for so many weeks already.
Dakol na.
Kasarundo na kaya sa taas.
Garo ni may bakir niyo nakasandal sa pader. Duwang beses man nag-attend hapon na bako ng sesyon ta. Kan sarong aldaw nagdigdiyo tapos na si sesyon ta. Tapos sinasabi na nga ni ining termination na ni. Sinugo manda sinda ni Engineer Bisorde. Sinugo da sinda mga alauna na ning hapon. So talagang tapos na ang sesyon ta. Ini ang mga tahong mga ay, hindi ko aram ko anong dapat giribuhon digdi. Anyway, let's proceed.
Number 2, privileged hour, unfinished business none. Privileged hour none, unassigned business.
I have seen the
Mr.
appearance
Chair.
of Honorable ex
Yes,
board
Mr. Chair.
member James Ocean.
Yes, under question hour po, Mr. Chair po, si Sir James.
Inyo.
And relation po yun sa designated parking sa Espilan po.
May committee report sa kayo ba po? Yes.
Naka sa agenda kaya.
Okay, Mr. Presiding Officer, I would like to manifest since the representative coming from the Bicol Central Academy through former councilor and board member Jim Saucian is here. I would like to manifest, Mr. Presiding Officer, to if the body will agree with me to priority the appearance of our guest this morning.
Next po.
make the necessary motion.
I move, Mr. Presiding
Okay.
Officer.
Duly seconded, Mr. Presiding
On
Officer.
motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero, Capdon Saberventura, and Daniel Coral. The rules are suspended to pave way for the appearance of our resource person, Honorable James Aushan. Yes, please.
Okay,
Occupy
Okay,
the
I move,
lectern.
Mr. Presiding Officer, to suspend the rules so as to give way the appearance of our guest this morning.
I thought it was already suspended.
yun na pala.
Yan na. Sige, sige, sige.
Nagsekundaran ko na.
Anyway, thank you.
Okay. Who will make the necessary queries?
Okay,
Honorable
Chair.
Romel Bulaong.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you very much, Sir James, for appearing on this August body.
Thank you very much, sir.
We highly appreciate your presence this morning.
That's good.
I know that you are very busy, but giving time with our invitations is very much appreciated.
Thank you very much.
Okay. The purpose of the invitations to you, this is with regards to the, the traffic occurring in this area in Centro. We invite your presence because we believe that through cooperations in collaborations, we can address the massive traffic here in the Centro. And one of the suggestions of the committee during the committee hearing is to ask the indulgence of the BCA to allocate a certain portion for a parking lot intended for your employees and the student in your school. May I know your pleasure about this?
Thank you very much, Honorable Bulaong. First and foremost, I'd like to convey my appreciation to the body, especially to the Honorable Vice Mayor Orino. Now, going back to the topic, basically, I am in receipt of a letter addressed to the Honorable Mayor Edelson Marfil dated June 11, 2026. Basically, informing them that there will be disruption of the flow of traffic since the booth related to the upcoming FESA are being erected. Now, as far as the concern of the Honorable Bulang is concerned, for employees of the Bicol Central Academy, we would like to inform this honorable body that there is no need for you to worry about such thing, precisely because we have allocated sufficient space for them for their vehicles. For the vehicles of the student, those who are licensed, we have earmarked a certain portion here at the senior high school area wherein their vehicles could be parked. So as far as employees are concerned, wala pong problema. As far as students are concerned, wala pong problema. The only problem we are having at the moment is during our admission and retreat. If you notice, I think everybody would notice that the stalls are there are stalls already erected on the along the I think J. Hernandez Street. So nagkakaproblema kami basically only during admission and retreat. As far as disasters are concerned, I think it is unwise really to allow this booth to be erected, especially in front of the gates. So we have two gates. A small gate is intended for students and staff, and the big gates, or one big gate, is intended for the vehicle. And if you notice, it's really quite hard for both our students and our staff to enter our premises, given the fact that nandun na po yung mga booth. For those who are parking at the senior high school area, we have no problem at all. We have no problem, except that there are occasions wherein there are drivers rather, whose vehicles they opt to park there. So, parking in front of a gate is really quite silly. But anyway, they are still parking. Not all the time, but sometimes they are. So yun lang naman nagiging problem namin sa admission, retreat, and we had a simulation already practically a month ago. We noticed that when we had the campus evacuation, nagkakaroon talaga ng slow movement or slow evacuation of students, precisely because of the stalls. And I hope you don't mind me mentioning also, there are two barricades located or perched or pegged in front of the house and residence. Isa din yun sa mga hamper ng flow of traffic and flow of people. So I guess the problem could be addressed by addressing these two issues: the booth and the barricades. If you would like to ask me personally, we really don't mind if the booths are there, because they are in fact there already. And given the fact also that we are about to celebrate the feast of the municipality, 2 weeks lang naman. What is 2 weeks? We could practically wait for 2 weeks. But in terms of disaster wise, I think it would be really disastrous if that would happen.
I understand this matter is a subject of a committee report. What is the recommendation of the committee?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ang recommendation pong saro sa committee hearing na mapag-urulayan po ang mga concerned offices na mapagadalan po ang traffic, lalong-lalo na during peak hours or rush hour, na mag-implement po ng one way during rush hour from morning, lunch, and afternoon. Like Naga City po na may mga one way po during rush hour. But pag dahil po rush hour, i-open na po yan. But pag-uurulayan po ka mga concerned offices.
So, do you intend to have another committee hearing for that matter?
Actually po kang committee hearing, na-invite po ang mga school. But bisay po siguro dahil nakahabol duman sa paapod. Ang response po si pag-apod mi na mapadara po ning representative, but siguro natapos na po si pag-igdiyo. Kaya dahil po sila nakapag-attend na dahil sila na relay po sa administration.
What was the action or the recommendation given by the PSO or the PNP for that matter?
Mr.
I
Presiding
think,
Officer,
Yes, please.
Go
I
ahead,
was
Alex.
absent when your committee hearing was conducted.
Mr. Presiding.
Please, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Inot po, duman sa committee hearing, tig-determine po ang cost ng traffic. Na identify ta po duman na ang cost is igwaning pagawaing bayan po ang local government na portion of that particular road ay nagagamit po na tambakan po kang mga airfield. Pangadua, yung bazaar. So, sabi nga po ni Sir James, it will take two weeks makakapagharat man po. Pero that is the major cause of the problem. Ang assurance po o solusyon na tinaupo kang committee during the hearing, tigpa-commit na po ang PSO na ma-deploy po sinda ng additional manpower or personnel para po i-guide po ang traffic, bawalan po mag-park, tangarig po dahil gayo kakanpaning portion of road ang mga nagpa-parking, whether it's private or ginagamit pong pampasahero, and mag-assign po ng temporary terminal para po duman sa mga padjak, tricycle na bako po sa atubangan kang BCA dapat nagpa-park. And pangaduwang
Thank you.
nag-commit din po ang PNP na ma-deploy din po sinda ng additional personnel po dyan that during peak or rush hour ay matabang po sinda sa pag-manage po kang traffic. Yan po yung temporary solution po na pig-recommend po kang committee. Yung long-term plan po, yung long-term solution ay ibinabatuta po sa MPDO na pag-adalan po ang flow, magkaigo po ng feasibility study kung strategic po ba, nagibuhon pong permanent ang one-way or gibuhon bang or mag-introduce hinda ning another solution na dai po apektado ang pag-close o pagdeklara po ning one-way kang tinampo. So yan po yung mga recommendation. But for now, igo po ning commitments ang PSO and PNP na mag-facilitate po kang pag-organize kang ano po, kang tinampo na dai pong gayo ma-traffic. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Can you comment on that, Honorable James Ausan?
Well, as far as the long-term plan is concerned, I think it is but due already. As far as the planning office is concerned, I think they are aware that there should be sufficient space for admission and evacuation of students. There is also the LG circular as well as a DOTR circular as far as 2017, and informing everybody about the proper way on. Referring to the proper use of the roads that are near schools and churches.
I think there is also a plan that a portion of that road network will be closed so that it could be part of the public plaza. There is a plan, according to Mayor Son Marvin.
May I,
Yes,
Honorable Orino? This is an unsolicited recommendation if the body will accept it. We have actually ample space at the back. I mean, referring to the Bagumbayan, this Bagumbayan, the one on your left hand side. So we were thinking primarily because the moment the local government started using the road in front of the local building, as a matter of fact, I think it contributed to the traffic. So it is actually the local government who is also one of the problem, since that portion of the road is supposed to be used for public purposes. However, it is being used as a parking space. So one of my unsolicited advice, if I may, the local government could tender a proposal, probably for a long-term lease, something like that, or similar, for a portion of the lot here at owned by the BCA, and a portion also being owned by the Haushin family. You could actually have it you could actually lease it for for like 5, 10, or 15 years if you like. So, and the payment could be in the form of either in a form of a rent, or if you have madrigal or gravel or sand, gawin niyo na lang bayaran niyo na lang ng pagtambak. That would be fine with us as payment for the rent. So you could utilize that portion
As parking space?
as parking space. Yes, sir. As parking space.
Yes, we will consider that. Committee on Infra, please. And Committee on Education, please consider this. The suggestion of Honorable James Ausan.
Anyway, Mr. Chair,
Honorable Jerry Tindero.
dakulaon pong tabang po yan, sabi ni Sir James. And nahiling ko po, ang space po talaga dyan sa likod, magayunan pong maray. Kaya siguro po, consider to po ang tigsabi po ni Sir James Igdio.
Ako man yan si Dagang Kataid ka ni?
Sa may puro po.
Sa may
Kaya siguro ako po, personalmente na mataunang honra kay Sir James. Thank you so much po sa ating offer. Magayon po yan. Dako nga ang tabang po yan sa banuhan.
We will consider that, Sir James.
And lastly, I would add that the unsolicited advice is in the form of an open space. So we personally do not have the funds as of the moment to be used for any improvements such as buildings or roads. So like what I have mentioned earlier, acceptable naman sa amin ang payment in kind. Like kung meron kayong madrigal, yun na lang ibayad pang tambak doon. And at the same time, you guys will be using it naman. That would be
Okay.
all.
Okay.
Anyway, Mr. Presiding Officer, that is a win-win solutions offered by the Bicol Central Academy. So, I think there are needs for more talk about that. So, I would like to refer this matter to the Committee on Education so as to, complete all the details and the documents pertaining to that matter.
On motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong, duly
Seconded.
seconded by Honorable Nonoy Atienza, Piday Razonable, and Daniel Cural. Let this matter, with regards to the open space for parking offered by the BCA through Sir James Haushan, be referred to the Committee on Education and Committee on Infrastructure. The lead committee is the Committee on Education.
Okay.
Presiding Officer,
Yes.
question lang nagwa-wonder lang ako why Committee on Education ang satuyang i-involve in fact ang intent is parang magkaigo po ng memorandum of agreement between the two parties. So I think the proper committees na pwede po mag-handle is the committee that reviews all memorandum of agreement, rules and regulation, ordinances, resolution. I think the proper committee is the Committee on Research and Development and Committee on Rules and Ordinances.
Okay,
And
Mr.
considering that is the intention is for public use, for public utilities, I think by committee pwede pong i-involve. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Honorable Romel Bulaong.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. I think the suggestions is very much noble, but I would like to remind the good councilor that my committee as a rules and ordinances only review when there is already rules prevailing on that matter. Since we are on the process of crafting the rules,
Anyway, I think Honorable Romel Bulaong is a member of any of these
Yes, correct,
three
correct.
committees, and he may present himself whenever there is a committee hearing for that purpose,
that is correct.
and make the necessary. He could share his thoughts
Yes.
and intelligence to the committee hearing. Okay, we will include also the Committee on Public Utilities.
Okay.
But the lead committee should be the Committee on Infra, I suppose. Okay?
Okay.
Any other remarks,
Uh,
objections?
Aram-
Hearing none,
Sige.
same is carried.
Okay.
Permission to leave, Your Honor.
Are you done with the presence of
Yes,
Honorable
before
James Haushan?
the good owner of the school leave on this August Friday, I would like to thank you, sir, for honoring the invitations of this committee.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much
Let's
for
abalik
coming.
yun.
Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Romel Bulaong, you are recognized. Please proceed.
Okay, for first read, I think, Mr. Presiding Officer, I have a guest visitors that need for a prioritizations of our agenda if the body will agree with me.
Anyway, the rules are still suspended.
Dahil lang po kaya may mga bisita kita,
Kinisay.
busy man sinda, kan sa indang mga ginikibo, before we
Sisay.
discuss all this matter
yes, yes.
included in the agenda,
We
why
will
not we priority
entertain
the
them.
appearance of
Sisay
our
yan,
guests?
sisay.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yaon pala.
Yeah, thank you po.
Honorable Jerry Tindero is recognized.
Salamat po. Talagang padangat po ko kang sa kong amigo. Maski may tigmamati-mati ko, iniinod niya pag-iraray talaga. Anyway, ano po ni, siring po kan dati, Mr. Chair, 5 organisasyon po. Basawang ko po saro-saro. Bahay, Ligmanan, Usad, ka Babaihan, Farm Worker, Saver and Vendors Association. Taas po kita sinyaon. Yung say na po yan. Tindog po kamo. Tamayling kamo ni attorney. Tapos na kayo. Pangadua po, Taaban, Pondado, Women's and Vendors Association. Yan. Bagamilon, Ligmanan, Agri-Workers and Women's Association. Yan. Mga padangat yan ni Kapdon sa kundi Kagawad Bulaong. Oson Women's Worker Association. Ini padangat ko ni. Yung say na. Umayo. Padangat pa niyo ni Kagawad Alex. And panglima po, San Vicente, Danawan, Bagajon, Tricycle Operation Driver Association, Sandaba, Tuda. Taas po kita. Mr. Chair, gabos pong requirement kang Committee on Accreditation nakakomply po sinda based sa muya pong sa MPDC asin po sa committee ba ko, yun po ning 5 iniyo ang pa-aprobahan po in bank kang sanggunian po, Mr. Chair.
Bago kita mag-approve, minasumpa ka mo na iniyong sa indong asosasyon na niyo, bakong ningas kugon, na pagkatapos mo organisar, matutunaw na sana?
Nangangako po kami na bilang isang dedicated na kabahagi ng barangay, katulong ng barangay, isang association ay nangangako po kami na gagampanan po ang aming tungkulin
Thank you.
upang sumuporta hindi lang sa barangay kundi pati na rin po dito sa Municipality of Libmanan po.
Ang probinsya, hindi na.
Ganon din po sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you po.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay, next po. Si Sabahay po yan. And sunod, Taaban, Pondado.
Yun na yan. Okay na yan.
Okay na po.
Nagsusubalan ko. Basta ano may nangako.
Anyway,
Okay na yan, kabos.
Mr. Chair, ang Uson po, mayo po nakabot.
Yaon.
Nyaon
Uson.
pong Uson.
Yaon dahil.
Nyaon pala na, ma'am. Nyaon. Aram mo.
Bagamilon pa, uson pa.
Okay.
Ang uson ang mayo.
Ang bali apat lang po, Mr. Chair, ang papa-aprobahan ta po ngunyan.
Sige.
Ay mo ba for the approval, Mr. Chair?
On motion of Honorable Jerry Tindaro, unanimously seconded, unless one will object.
Mr.
No
President,
one. Yes,
Mr.
Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Yes, nadangog ko po sa motion po ni Councilor Tindero na i-consider po ang apat na for approval, but we have 5 applicants po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Para sa ko po, Mr. Presiding Officer, ang pagdigdi po kang mga dokumento hali po sa MPDC, MPDO, nangangahulugan po na ayos na po, ariglado na po ang sa indang mga dokumento. So siguro may kadahilanan man po kaya dahil ni nakadigdi. Siguro gusto man ninda magdigdi pero talagang igwaning mas priority baka pagbuhay po ang nakasalalay po kunya na daw para sa inda. Siguro para sa ko po ayon ta naman po ining saro kung okay po sa ano.
Anyway, bago po magpalakpak, ispegar ta po. Ang thank you po kay Councilor Alex, pero kung i-apply ta po kay iyan, dapat po si iba argument dapat po kayan. Baka kaya ang iba, pero ngunyan po papaunrahan ta po bilang magayon po ang paliwanag kang good counselor po Alex Mendoza. Pero po next time ara mo po kaya ako, gusto ko po niya ang sinda. Tanganing magsunod sinda sa reglamento na mahiling ta po Diyos sinda na igot sinda.
Yeah.
Deta man gusto sabihin na deta po sinda po aprobahan pero kaipuan po niya ang sinda. dapat igpa-priority po ninda niyo maski kisira sa duwang opisyalis po.
May I know if Uson Women's Workers Association was duly notified of today's accreditation?
Yes po, na-inform po sila.
Ano yan, ma'am? Ma'am Prado?
Yung president po kasi ng Barangay Uson, at that time po na nag-call is nasa work po siya. And ngayon po, kakarating niya lang daw po. Gusto niya po sana maghabol kasi start na po ng accreditation. Ang sabi niya po sa kuya, ito nag-reply around 10:23 a.m. Good morning po, ma'am. Aki po ini ni Merly, which is si Merly po, siya po ang president ng Barangay Uson. Pasensya na po, dahil makaka-attend si mama, nagtatrabaho po, kaya dahil man po aram na may meeting, tabiglaan lang po ngani. Baka po, pag puli naman, makasunod na po. Tapos, nag-reply po ulit ngunya na 10:44, yaon na po, kakaabot lang.
10:44. Apudan mo, ma'am.
Anyway, Mr. Chair,
Apudan mo, ma'am. Sige.
may I comment, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Ako po ang chairman kang accreditation. Anas ko ni padarangat, ang mga aki ko ni.
Mm.
Pero dapat magsunod sinda sa reglamento kang ama ninda. Tama po.
Mm.
Kunyan, i-consider na po yan, tabi paliwanag din magayon.
Mm.
Iibata na po sa approval ta. Pero, next time po, dito itutolerate yan igdiyo.
Yes, we will.
Yun po.
Ang sa kuya is apudan, takaning maaraman ta, as in, ang aning day na magdigdi, pasumpaunta.
Pangadua, Mr. Chair, may I?
Yes po, Honorable
Kung
Jerry.
mayo po ikaw po baga nagsabi kayan, kung mayo po si number 1, si number 2.
Oh, yaw
Kung
si
mayo
number
po
two.
si Presidente, si Vice President.
Mm.
And then kung mayo si Vice President, any representative or si Secretary, si Treasurer, ano po, ako po nagsusunod ako sa reglamento kang Committee on Accreditation. Pero sa manifestasyon po ni Councilor Alex ay exceed na aprobanta po yan.
Ang kamundua ang sinanduang pagamilan.
Okay, anyway, Mr. Chair, aprobanta po din 5 pong ini. Ibata na po sila. Baka po may talagang may man. Aram po kita, madali kita mag-intindi. Sarong hiling lang, naintindihan ko na.
Anyway, paki-advise na lang po si Miss Mayor, Miss Merly, na magdagos magiray magdikit. Ha? Pero a-approveran mi na yan. Yeah?
Okay, Mr. Chair, I move for the approval for the 5 organization, Mr. Chair.
Duly seconded, Mr. Chairman.
Una ko unanimous kasi bago mo yan, pirana sana. On motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, unanimously seconded, let the accreditation of this association, the Bahay Libmanan Usad, Kababaihan Farm Workers, Sewer, and Vendors Association, Taban Pundado Women's and Vendors Association, Bagamilon Libmanan Agri Workers of Women's Association, Uson Women's Workers Association, San Vicente, Danawan, Bagajon Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association, Sanda Batuda are is taken out from the first reading, and the same is to be considered under the second reading. And upon the same motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero,
Okay, Mr. Chair.
unanimously seconded, the accreditation of these 5 mentioned associations is hereby confirmed and approved. Any objection? Hearing none, same is carried.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Bilang representante po kang komitiba, taos puso kami nagpapasalamat sa gabos na councilor na nagsusuporta po. Lalo na po ang presiding officer sa gabos na kaibahan ko siyam na konsyal. Thank you so much and congratulations po sa 5 bagong organization po.
Thank you, thank you.
Yan. Dahil po nito paglilinggawan, hindi nagsusuporta sa indong mga lalaw na ini. Ano man po ang kolor politika, nagsusuporta sa indo.
Honorable Piday Razonable has something to say.
Gusto ko lang mag-congratulate Igdio sa mga, lalo na sa mga kababaihan, nagpapahiling lang ng women empowerment. Salamat sa inyo. Ipadagos na lang ang pagtabang sa Toyang komunidad. At sa Toyang Tricycle Association, salamat. Permis na kita mag-ingat sa dalan. Congrats sa gabos.
Ako po, honorary member kang women. Ta ako mahilig sa women. Mahilig ako sa women's rights. Kamu daday panghani ko tapos. Okay. Congratulations po sa Indogabas. Okay. Ang mapapicture ka mo. Matya na ka mo. Tigdi. Kain ka mo
Okay.
mapapicture.
Okay.
Okay. Gusto ni Digdio sa inutan?
Yan na lang po sa ilutan niya rin sa laruan lang.
Hmm.
Ta, baka piliong ganian mga gwapo lang. Kami lang kayo mga kairi ba?
Hindi ka manera ka mo. Dito may bandera. Di ka mo. Pampira na yan, Ma'am Prado. Pantulo. Sige. Hindi may hindi ang iba. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, 5, 4,
Thumbs up.
1. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3. Pasa-pasa na lang. 2.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice, bro. Yeah.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes, Honorable Captain Sam Benaventura.
considering the rules is still suspended, Mr. Presiding Officer, may I include under first reading the MDC resolutions number 26 to 28 for first reading, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Do we have a copy of that?
It
MDC
is
resolution?
included and downloaded in our tablet po.
Okay. The inclusion of Honorable Captain Sam Benaventura being in order are included under first reading.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes,
Presiding Officer.
Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Ang sa kuya pong Riparo, ang manifestation po permina na dadangog ko sa Committee on Rules. Pag nagsususpend ng rules is to give way or to pave way to the visitors. May hindrance po minsan pag kita naglalaok ng ibang agenda. So ano po ang apresiasyon kayang kang committee chairman kang rules mo niya na naglaog po ng MDC inclusion si Councilor San Buenaventura.
You may answer, Honorable Romel Bulaong.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. When we suspend the rules, we specifically provides what the rules are being suspended. So, to PBR visitors, this time around, Mr. Presiding Officer, kung mahiling po nindo, I never mentioned that the suspension of the rules is intended only for our guests this morning. So,
You
if
never,
you will analyze that, Mr.
you
Presiding
did
Officer.
not mention the word only.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Presiding Officer.
So,
So that is not being raised as a form of decorations, but in the form of purpose.
yeah. So you are allowing Honorable Captain Sam Benaventura to make those insertion
Yes,
and
Mr.
inclusion.
Presiding Officer.
So there being no other remarks, And objection, the motion of Honorable Capdon Sam Benaventura to include four MDC resolutions under first reading, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero, is approved.
Ano para question ka pa? Ano po, maloy ang tayo ko. Bright pa di. Aray.
Oy, sisima pagkakanunan. Yeah.
Mr. Chair, may I
Yes,
recognition?
Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Under first reading po, kung okay lang po, tadakol po ani. Para po sa bago. 13 resolution po ni except Tokbasan Bridge is 100 million to President BBM. Anas po 50 million po ini. Tigtao ko na po si kopya sa tuyang secretary.
Considering that the resolutions is sponsored by Honorable Jerry Tindero is resolutions of mere requests
Yes,
to the government agencies, especially to the good senators mentioned.
Yes po.
Would you like to move that this be taken out from the first reading and be considered under second reading for its approval?
Yes po. May
Please
I
make the necessary
I move
motion.
Mr. Chair for the approval.
Motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by Honorable Nonoy Atienza, Cap Don Sam Benaventura, Daniel Corral, and John Mark Mendoza. Let all 13 resolutions of Honorable Jerry Tindero be considered and be approved under the second,
In third reading.
including the third and final reading. Also seconded by Honorable Dondon Atienza. Comments, remarks, objections, hearing none, same is carried.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Under first reading kita?
Yes.
May I, Mr. Chair?
Yes,
Si mga-
please continue.
An ordinance authorizing and regulating the 2 days Game Fowl Expo intended as an official activity of the municipal town Pista celebration of Ligmanan, promote the game fowl industry, tourism, and generate revenue. I move this matter to the Committee on Game and Amusement, Mr. Chair. I move, Mr. Chair.
On motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by Honorable Richard Datuon and Daniel Corral, let this matter be referred to the Committee on Games and Amusement.
Under first reading, Mr. Chair.
No objections, hearing none, same is carried.
Okay, number 2, Mr. Chair. An ordinance establishing the Bantay Salog program of the Municipality of Ligmanan, Camarines Sur, providing for the protection, conservation, management, and safety of the Ligmanan River in each tributaries covering the 75 barangays, including the 27 barangay directly along the Ligmanan River, creating Bantay Salog personnel per barangay, defining their powers and function, strengthening the Ligmanan Rivers Development Council, providing funds and penalty. I move, Mr. Chair, to revert this matter to the Committee on the Environment, Mr. Chair.
Any second? On motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by Honorable Dondon Atienza and Cap Don Sam Benaventura, the inclusion of Honorable Jerry Tindero regarding environment is referred to the Committee on Environment.
Yes po. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
May I ask,
Objection?
Mr. Presiding
Yes,
Officer, may I
please.
ask the copy of the ordinance para po
Yes
maya-
po.
i-schedule man kang chairman ang committee hearing?
Yes po.
5,000.
Noted, Mr. Chair. Number 3, Mr. Chair. Dahil pa na po.
No other remarks, comments, objections? The motion is carried.
Okay, number 3, Mr. Chair, an ordinance creating the Municipal Cooperative Development Council, MCDC, of the Municipality of Ligmanan, Camarines Sur, for the providing its composition, powers, function, and operational guidelines for the other purposes. I move this for the Committee on the Cooperatives, Mr. Chair.
Diyan yung ipaparabarasan hindi ito ko na
Ano yan, Mr. Chair, tig-include ko kaya sa inclusions po.
Okay, the inclusion at the referral of the ordinance
Yes po.
is to the Committee on
Accreditation and Cooperatives po.
to the Committee on Accreditation. There being no objection upon motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by Honorable John Mark Mendoza and Nonoy Atienza is carried.
Number 4, Mr. Chair. Number 4, Mr. Chair, joint sponsorship by Councilor Alex Mendoza, an ordinance providing for the comprehensive guidelines and regulation for the establishment, operation, and maintenance of cockpit and cockfighting and commercial breeding and gamecock in the municipality of Ligbanan, Camoisor, repealing all inconsistent ordinance, therefore providing penalties in violation thereof. I refer to the Committee on Game and Amusement, Mr. Chair.
The said ordinance is referred to the Committee on Games and Amusement upon motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by Honorable Nonoy Atienza and Romel Bulaong. Comments, remarks, objections? Hearing none, the same is carried.
Okay, Mr. Chair, salamat po. Salamat po, Maray.
Mr. Presiding
Would you
Officer,
like to announce when will you conduct your committee hearing,
Yes,
Honorable Jerry Tindero?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Merkulis po.
This coming Wednesday.
Pagkaaga po, maghapon po yan, Committee on Accreditation and Game and Amusement po.
Yes.
Sa Game and Amusement po, bali tulong ordinance po ang itatakil na po dyan pagkaaga. And including the ordinance of na tiga-introduce po ni Councilor Alex about sa Piriaan po. And pagkahapon po, sa cooperatives po, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Presiding Officer, for first
Honorable
reading,
Captain San Benaventura is recognized.
motion, Mr. Presiding Officer, that there are 3 items for first reading: the MDC Resolution Number 26, Series of 2026, MDC Resolution Number 27 and 28, Series of 2026, be calendar for second reading for today's regular session and for its approval, Mr. Presiding Officer, under second reading. The 3 resolutions of MDC. Motion, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Okay,
Second
seconded.
reading. On motion of Honorable Captain San Benaventura, duly seconded by Honorable Nonoy Atienza, Dondon Atienza, and Daniel Corral. Let the 3 MDC resolutions, 26, 27, and 28, series of 2026, is taken out from the first reading stage, and the same is considered on the second reading. And upon his motion, Honorable Captain San Benaventura moved for its approval on the second and third and final reading. There being no objections, the same is carried.
Sunod sa first reading, ano?
Next item. May mga unassigned business ba?
Okay, Mr. Presiding Officer, under Ay, si mga
Unassigned na? Unassigned na kita? Unassigned na?
unassigned business.
Doon sa tablet, partner. Ang tablet.
May nawala.
Lagyan na yun. Sa unassigned.
Ano pa rin?
On motion of Honorable Jerry Tindero, duly seconded by
Second.
Honorable Dondon Atienza, all matters requested by Honorable Edelson Marmapil
Up to 1.5.
from 1.1 to 1.5 be referred to
Appropriate committee.
the appropriate committees. 1.1 with reference to the MOA with Department of Agriculture be referred to the Committee on Agriculture. The MOA with CBSUA for the membership of the CBSUA in Libmanan Mountain Ecosystem Conservation and Protection Council is referred to the Committee on Environment.
Di pa dali.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes po.
if we are talking about the
CBSUA membership?
yes, talking about executive order for the membership of CBSUA, I think they can act accordingly, the mayor's office, because it is executive order. Now, if we are
This
talking
is a
about
MOA.
the MOA para maging member,
Yes. This is the request of CBSUA.
therefore, Mr. Presiding Officer, pahagad po ako ng copy of the memorandum of agreement.
Anyway, this will the copy will be sent to your committee in your Committee on Environment.
Thank you po.
Is referred to the Committee on Environment.
Circulating trial.
Item number 1.3 with reference to the request of 1 unit circulating dryer 12 tons from the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest be referred to the Committee on Agriculture.
Okay.
I accept.
1.4 assistance to Ian Cedric B. Reyes as an official candidate representing Libmanan to the second edition of Mr. Philippines 2026 be referred to the Committee on Social Services
Appropriation.
and Appropriation. The lead committee is the Committee on Appropriation.
Assistance naman.
Assistance to Job Esther Arpalo is referred to the Committee on Appropriation also.
May pundo pa.
All matters mentioned in the unassigned business with reference to Barangay Ordinance of Inalahan, Libmanan, Camarines Sur on motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong. Duly seconded by Honorable Daniel Coral. Said barangay ordinances are referred to the Committee on Rules and Ordinances.
Third and final reading.
Ano na kita?
Yun na. An inclusion
Third,
tapos na.
gabos ng inclusions, okay na?
Okay na po.
Si committee hearing, aday pa.
Dahil pa po.
Third and final reading.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
on the part of the Committee on Public Utilities, the proposed ordinance, the new fare matrix for public utility tricycle and pedicab, all suggestions are considered with and included into the final draft. So I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance on the third and final reading.
On motion of Honorable Alex Mendoza, duly seconded by Honorable Dondon Atienza, Capdon San Benaventura, Piday Razonable, Richard Datuon, Daniel Coral, and John Mark Mendoza. The ordinance prescribing a new fare matrix for tricycle for hire and pedicab, providing regulatory safeguards for the riding public in the municipality of Libmanan, and repealing or amending all inconsistent ordinances thereof, is approved on its third and final reading. Objections? Hearing none, same is carried.
Mr. Presiding Officer, ihabot
Yes.
ko na lang po. Ang nasa penal, effectivity clause po nito ay upon publication in the newspaper of general circulation. Maisiyan ko daw po kung igwa pa kita ng pondo para sa publication or no arin po ini ipapublish.
Ay, may pundo pa kita sa publication, Ma'am Percent.
Not the fund from DCLUP, but the other fund intended for publication.
We still have a limited fund for some publication.
Grabe.
Pero baka po mag-ibuhan tayong paagi. Basta sa mga dapat ipapublish na po.
Yeah,
Masunod
thank you po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you for the assurance.
Okay. The other item for third and final reading. Honorable
Yes.
Alex Mendoza.
On the part of the Committee on Environment and the Disaster Risk Reduction Committee, the proposed ordinance creating the Libmanan Council for the Protection and Sustainable Management of Mountain Ecosystem, defining its compositions and function and appropriating funds thereof. The suggestion of Councilor Capdon na ibugtak na po, in particular duman sa funding section. So, I move for the approval on the third and final reading of this proposed ordinance.
On motion of Honorable
Seconded, Mr. Chair.
Alex Mendoza, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero and Daniel Corral. Let the ordinance creating the Limanan Council for the Protection and Sustainable Management of Mountain Ecosystems, LCPSME, defining its composition, functions, and appropriating funds thereof, is approved on its third and final reading.
Remarks, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Kung okay lang po maging co-authors. Environmentalist po ako.
Yes, Mr. Presiding
Yeah.
Officer.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
The ordinance
Please
will-
include Honorable Jerry Tindero as a joint co-author or co-sponsor of the said ordinance. Mahilig yan sa mga magagayon na environment. Okay, committee reports.
Okay.
Committee on Rules and Ordinances. Honorable Romel Bulaong.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Committee on Rules and Ordinances, Committee Report number 26-08. I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the adoption and approval of the said committee report and the passage of a resolutions for this effect.
Okay,
So, I move.
seconded, Mr. Chair.
On motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero, Daniel Corral, and Richard Datuon. The committee report of the Committee on Rules and Ordinances is hereby adopted, and consequently let a corresponding resolution approving said committee report be passed. Any objections? Remarks, comments, hearing none, same is approved. Committee on Education.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Committee report on Committee on Education. Committee report number 26-04. To agenda, proposed resolution regarding roadside parking in school and amendment of the Libmanan Scholarship Ordinance Program. So everybody has a copy, Mr. Chairman. I uploaded to the tablet. So minomotion ko po, Mr. Chairman, na ma-adaptar and ma-approve.
Okay, seconded, Mr.
On
President.
motion of Honorable Richard Datuon, duly seconded by Honorable Donon Atienza, Jerry Tindero, Daniel Corral, and John Mark Mendoza. The committee report of the Committee on Education is hereby adopted, and consequently let the resolution be passed approving the same. Objection, hearing none, same is carried.
Remarks, Mr. Presiding Officer. Before,
Yes.
Mr. Presiding Officer, before the approval of the said committee report, I would like to manifest, Mr. Presiding Officer, that the BCA offer us a parking area. I would like also to include, Mr. Presiding Officer, if the Bicol Central Academy, the Central Elementary Central School be included on the said committee hearing, so as to offer so as to hear also from them the same idea which was offered by the Bicol Central Academy.
I think that will be a subject of another committee hearing.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. Yung kay Igdio, napag-urulayan mo yan, ngunyan nag-offer po baga si...
Yes.
Kung may pwede ko tana, imbitaran ang Central, kasi baka okay man yan sa inda, nakita ang mapadamping duman,
Ibo naman parking space.
yan, magkaagnaman kita na yung kadikit na parking space intended for the... Kasi duman sa urulay mi po, they are willing, provided magtao po daning proposal ang local government unit.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, with regards to the offer of Honorable James Aucion, let this matter be... karo iyo na. Pig-refer to na ni. So, please also include the open space in Central School. Libana North Central School. Please include that under the committee report or sa committee hearing na kang infra. Okay? No other remarks, comments, objections. The motion is carried. Sinda ang magparart duman. Ang mga ambulansya, duman ang ipart. Nabubuhay ang sa iyang dugo pag nahiling ako. Iba manggirara ito. Iba manggirara. Ano. Nahiling na nindo. Pagka mo makanamit ning kadaugan, alagad, ika man kaya, iba man ika. Ang sa imong budiga, pati likod, igwa. Extension. Anyway, let's proceed. Any other committee reports? No more? Oh, Honorable.
Committee report of the Committee on Peace and Order,
Oh,
dated July 13, 2026. This is in relation with the 5 joint resolution of the Municipal Peace and Order Council, the MPOC, Municipal Anti-Drug Abuse Council, MADAC, and the Municipal Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict, MTFL-LCAC. Respectfully submitted therein the committee report with action taken and recommendation relative to the pertinent matters discussed during the committee hearing last July 8, 2026. Everybody see copy of this in your tablet. So, resolution number 02A, series of 2026, a resolution endorsing the establishment of Balay Silangan Reformation Center, the Municipality of Libanan, and requesting the Sangguniang Bayan to provide policy, technical, and financial support for this implementation. A resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan of Libanan to enact ordinance prohibiting the wearing of balaklabas ski mask, and other similar face concealing garment in public places within the municipality of Libmanan. Resolution number 04, series of 2026, a resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan of Libmanan to include funding support for rebel returnees in their reintegration program in the municipality of Libmanan. Resolution number 4, series of number 5, series of 2026, a resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan of Libmanan to authorize the grant of honoraria of meeting incentives to accredited civil society organizations representative for their actual attendance in participation in official meetings of local special bodies, council meetings, and other local government advisory bodies. For the recommendation, the committee hereby recommends the following. The number 1 resolution, the recommendation is the adoption of resolution number 02A, series of 2026, the entitled resolution endorsing the establishment of Balay Silangan. Number 2, resolution, the recommendation is the passage of proposed ordinance establishing of Balay Silangan Reformation Center in the municipality of Libmanan and providing technical and financial support for its implementation and scheduling it for first reading on the next regular session.
Okay?
The adoption of resolution number 3, series of 2026, and number 4, the passage of the proposed ordinance requiring all motorcycle drivers and passengers for immediate remove their safety helmets, headgear, face masks, be calendared for first reading on the next regular session. And number 5, the adoption of resolution number 4, series of 2026, the requesting the Sangguniang Bayan to include funding support for the funding for the rebel returnees in their reintegration program. Number 7, the adoption of resolution number 5. And number 8, the passage of proposed ordinance authorizing the grant of honoraria and meetings incentive for first reading for the next regular session. So I therefore move, Mr. Chair, for the
Seconded.
approval and adoption of the committee report.
On motion of Honorable Dondon Atienza, duly seconded by Honorable Nonoy
Kasi
Atienza,
sana kamuta medyo halaba.
Jerry Tindero, and Daniel Cural.
Another committee report.
Alit mo na.
Guapa.
Let the committee report on the Committee on
Peace and order.
Peace and Order.
Mr. Chair,
Is
another committee report.
hereby adopted, and consequently, let a resolution be passed approving said
Remarks of Mr.
committee
Presiding
report.
Officer.
Honorable Romel Bulaong is recognized for his comment.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Since I am not the member of the said committee, I appreciate, Mr. Presiding Officer, the reading of the content of the committee report. So, next time around, Mr. Presiding Officer, I highly appreciate if all the content of this report be read by the by the chairman of the committee. Yeah. Yeah.
Aram mo, katunda ita pa amigo si Consial Jerry Tindero, uobjikan ka kuta. Paparapasa kaning committee report na iraon na sa tablet ta.
Dahil man Mr. Chair, dahil man ito binasa, takan sumago lang ito bukasan.
Anyway,
Mr. Chair.
May I
Any
comment,
other?
Yes. Mr. Chair?
Honorable Jerry
Thank you,
Tindero.
Attorney. Ako po, ang pagrespeto ko kay Councilor Dondon Halangkaw. Bilib ako sa, pero ako po, bilang haloy na pong membro kang sanggunian, understood na po na pag nag-committee report, talagang yaon na po yan sa natawan ng kopya ang taga-saro. Pero,
Iguana, nasa tabletan nito.
yun po nga ni, kaya ako po, di pa nagbabago ang stand ko dyan, siyempre, privilege yung kasarong chairman kung ipapresent niya, pero, nakakaugma pa ganti ko presentar niya sa to. Pero, sabi nga, kung kayang paliputon, papaliputon ta. Pero, ay salute Councilor Dondo at Chensa po.
Okay. Hearing no more remarks, comments, or objection, the motion of Honorable Dondon Atienza is approved.
Mr. Chair, May I recognize pangutuhan na po. Niyaw na po si
Wait,
Mr. Chair,
we have still another
still a
committee report. Committee on Health.
Presentation for 30 minutes.
Okay. Please present for make it 45 minutes.
Mr. Chair, committee report of the Committee on Health and Sanitation. This is in relation with the proposed ordinance establishing pseudo primary care center or clinic within the jail facilities of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology in Libmanan District Jail. Respectfully submitted here in the committee report with action taken recommendation relative to the pertinent matter discussed during the committee hearing held last July 8, 2026. For the recommendation, copy is already posted in the tablet. So, kindly read na lang the,
Okay, seconded.
the content. I move, Mr. Chair, for the adoption and approval of the committee report of the Committee on Health
On
and
motion
Sanitation.
of Honorable Dondon Atienza, duly seconded by Honorable Jerry Tindero and Daniel Corral. The committee report on the Committee on Health is hereby adopted. And consequently, let a resolution be passed approving the same.
Okay, Mr. Chair, may I recognize, sir?
Yes, Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Nakapot na
sir,
po si
yes
Ma'am
po.
Merly.
Niyaw na po si Taga-Uso na Presidente.
Si Ma'am Merly.
Yes, oni po ang ating
Yan,
tataon.
bisado ko yan, si Ma'am Merly.
Anyway, niyaw na po siya. Talagang intention niya po talagang napakagayod man po. Kaya gusto
Yes.
man ipwede po.
Thank you very much po, Ma'am Merly. Tindog ka po.
Sige, tawa mo, Mike, si Ma'am Marley.
Minasumpa ka po na magiging aktibo ang sa imong organisasyon, asosasyon digdi sa munisipyo kan Libmanan.
Iyo po.
Very good. Okay na po. Approve na ang sa imong accreditation.
Okay,
Thank you
congratulations
so
po.
much po sa
Thank
inyo
you.
gabos. Sa suporta
Okay.
po kang staff ng CDO and sa gabos mo po. Thank you so much.
Thank you also.
Okay. Okay po.
Okay.
Pili na po kamag ko yan. Sige po. Okay po. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Any other matters? Honorable Daniel Corral.
Mr. Chair, bago po mag-adjourn kita,
Hmm.
announcement po.
Yes.
Tigahagad ko po ang suporta kang gabots po na membro. Bako lang po, takabots po kang membro kang committee bako. Na importante yung po niyong ordinance na nangigibuhon ta. Na ini pong local expo, magayon po iniyo. Kaya dapat po niya raon po kamo. And tigahagad ko po ang suporta na mag-attender po kamo. Apat na ordinance po ang itatakil ta po maghapon po yan sa Merkulis po.
Okay.
8 o'clock po ang start po, attorney, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
8:30 na lang gayod. Mapun ka man kayan, 8:30.
Yes po, ang call time ta po, 8 o'clock po, 8:30 po kita magkuyan.
Mayo na ning allowance. Pag 8:30, 8:30.
Okay, noted po.
8:30.
No problem po.
Okay. Another announcement on August 5 to 8, magkakaigwa kita ning seminar on CLUP. Nigdiyo sa Legazpi, Oriental Hotel, August 5 to 8. Ano? Ha? Ano? Or okay ka mo? I-practice na nindo ang mga papel nindo. Sa Legazpi, Oriental Hotel. August 5 to 8. Yaon na sa kuyang opisina. Ipaprocess siya yun. Vice Mayor's League.
Ma-attender po ko.
Mm.
Pwede daw po, Mr. Chair, na i-ano mo po ko, i-register mo ko.
Ayun na.
May cash advance po kay ako dyan. Hindi ko nababayadan. Seryoso po. Reimburse po sa imo man madala.
Ayun.
Kaya po, magayon sa Oriental.
Mm.
Diyan po nagkatotoo si mga plano ni Kagawad Bulaong.
Yeah. Imbitado ang opisina kang alkalde.
Si Saldico ay si Garina.
Mm. Okay, Honorable Daniel Corral.
Okay, salamat Mr. Presiding Officer.
Ginoong tagapangulo, aking iminumungkahi ang pagtatapos ng sesyong ito.
Ini na nagkaroon handaan na eh. Inadala ng pirambulan niya na yun niya. Dapat ang buhok mo, ala Robin Padilla yun. Sige.
Okay, Ginoong tagapangulo, aking iminumungkahi ang pagtatapos ng sesyong ito sapagkat wala ng usaping dapat talakayin.
Dahil wala nang tatalakayin ng mga paksa at pag-uusapan. Idinideklara ko na ang sesyon ito ay tapos na.